billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
Good. Tasmiya.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Please, louder. Little bit louder, more, please. What's the name of lesson number 1?
Um, Individual letters.
Good, mashallah. How many they are?
29.
Good. Now let's start reading. What's the first letter?
Huh?
What is it? A straight line.
Alif.
Good. Then,
Ba.
then,
Da.
properly, beta, properly. We're stretching proper. Then,
Da.
hmm.
Da.
What?
Da.
Proper voice. I can't hear you. Louder, please.
Da.
Sa.
Da.
Then, next.
Jim.
Good. Next. Good, good. Continue. What is it?
Ho.
The black one, beta.
Ha.
Proper voice. Louder.
Ha.
Yeah, good. Next. The blue letter.
Ho.
Then, next. Next. Quickly, beta, quickly. Pay attention. What is it?
Dal.
Good. Next.
Dal.
Next.
Ro.
Good. Next.
A. Sin. Shin. Sword. Sword.
Dod.
Sword.
Good.
Sword. Zo.
Good.
Oi.
Huh?
I.
Yeah.
Oi.
No,
Queen.
first one is correct. It has no dot, beta. The black one.
I.
Yeah.
Queen.
Next.
Ko.
What?
Fa. Fa. Ko.
Good.
Da.
Hmm.
Lam.
Next. Start from M.
Mim.
Good.
Noon.
Good.
Wow. Ha. Hamza. Ya.
Very good job. MashaAllah. Excellent. Good job. Well done. MashaAllah. Now, I want to ask you some question. Can you please tell me what's the name of lesson number 3 and 4?
Harakat.
What are harakat?
Double Zel and fish.
Good, mashallah. And how to read them? How to read harakat? By?
By not stretching.
Good, mashallah. Excellent. Now, let's start reading from a regular lesson, please. From first word of lesson number 6. Some spelling of it, please. What's the first letter? This one. The black one. Quickly, quickly, Shabash. You have no time. What's the first letter?
Noon.
Which sign on it?
Zabar.
Hmm.
Zabar.
Hmm. Noon zabar.
Nun. Zabar.
What's the sound?
Nu.
Beta.
Na.
Yeah. Good. Next letter.
Za.
Hmm. Za.
Za. Za.
Which sign on it?
Zabar.
What's the sound?
Za.
Do not stretch.
Zab.
Za zabar.
Za. Zabar. Za.
Good. Together. Both letters.
Naza.
Good. Last letter.
Lam.
Hmm.
Lam. Zabar.
Hmm. Good job. Together. The whole word.
La. Nazala.
Very good. MashaAllah. Excellent. Good job. Can you please tell me role how to read harakat? By stretching or by not?
Why not?
Very good job. MashaAllah. This star is for you for good reading. MashaAllah. May Allah bless you. May Allah increase your knowledge. Say Ameen.
Ameen.
Ameen.